Across the vast expanse of the sky, birds traverse immense distances with remarkable precision. These feathered navigators possess an innate ability to find their way, guided by an intricate interplay of senses and instincts. From soaring raptors to delicate songbirds, each species demonstrates an uncanny understanding of their environment. Among these avian navigators, one species stands out for its exceptional homing abilities, the carrier pigeon. These remarkable birds have served humanity for millennia, carrying messages across battlefields and delivering news to distant lands. The use of carrier pigeons for communication dates back thousands of years. Ancient civilizations employed these feathered messengers to relay information across vast distances. In World War I and World War II, carrier pigeons were deployed extensively to carry vital messages across enemy lines. Equipped with small capsules attached to their legs, they delivered crucial intelligence and helped coordinate troop movements. Even with modern communication technologies, the legacy of carrier pigeons endures, inspiring research into animal navigation. The extraordinary navigational skills of carrier pigeons have captivated scientists for generations. Early hypotheses proposed that pigeons relied on visual landmarks to create mental maps of their surroundings. Experiments have shown that pigeons can navigate even when deprived of familiar landmarks, suggesting more complex mechanisms at play. The Earth is a dynamic entity with a powerful magnetic field pulsating around it. This field varies in strength and direction depending on location, detectable by some animals, including birds. Birds have evolved the ability to perceive these variations, using them as navigational cues. This adaptation allows them to exploit a global positioning system that is both ancient and ever-present. Specialized sensory cells and a naturally occurring mineral with unique magnetic properties enable birds to sense these fields. The idea that birds could sense the Earth's magnetic field was once met with skepticism. Mounting evidence pointed towards the existence of a magnetic sense in birds, known as magnetoreception. In birds, two main hypotheses have emerged: specialized cells in the eyes containing cryptochrome and tiny iron oxide crystals in the beaks. These mechanisms allow birds to sense the direction and intensity of the magnetic field. This information is relayed to the brain, creating a comprehensive navigational map. While the Earth's magnetic field provides a global framework, visual landmarks also play a crucial role. Birds possess exceptional visual acuity and can remember complex visual patterns with remarkable accuracy. Homing pigeons rely heavily on visual landmarks during the initial stages of their journey. Studies show that these birds use visual landmarks to orient themselves and establish a general direction towards home. The sun and stars provide birds with valuable navigational information. Birds use the sun as a compass, adjusting their flight path to maintain a constant angle to the sun's position. At night, birds use star compass orientation, memorizing the position of specific constellations. This ability allows them to maintain their course even on cloudy nights. Deep within the beaks of carrier pigeons lie tiny crystals of magnetite, a naturally occurring iron oxide mineral. These microscopic compasses align with the surrounding magnetic field, guiding pigeons with astonishing precision. Magnetite clusters in the beak detect subtle variations in the Earth's magnetic field. This discovery provided concrete evidence for the existence of a magnetic sense in birds. It opened up new research avenues into the complex interplay between magnetite, nerves, and the brain. The exact mechanisms by which magnetite crystals translate magnetic information into neural signals remain a subject of ongoing research. One hypothesis suggests that magnetite crystals move or vibrate in response to changes in the Earth's magnetic field. Another proposes that magnetite crystals influence the permeability of cell membranes to certain ions, triggering nerve impulses. Carrier pigeons perceive the magnetic landscape as a tapestry of varying intensities and inclinations. This magnetic map is constantly updated and refined as they encounter new environments. The Earth's magnetic field provides a constant source of directional information. Pigeons' brains process these signals, creating a mental map of the magnetic landscape. This ability allows them to navigate successfully even in unfamiliar territories. The magnetic sense of carrier pigeons is part of a complex sensory symphony. Visual landmarks, the sun's position, and even odors contribute to a multimodal navigational system. This integration allows pigeons to navigate with remarkable flexibility and resilience. If one sensory system is compromised, the others can compensate, ensuring successful navigation. In the 1970s, researchers at Cornell University conducted experiments to test pigeons' navigation. They noticed that pigeons oriented correctly on sunny days but were scattered on overcast days. This led to the hypothesis that pigeons use both the sun and the Earth's magnetic field for navigation. To test this, researchers equipped pigeons with coils that created a weak magnetic field around their heads. The coils disrupted their magnetic sense, providing compelling evidence for the role of magnetite in pigeon navigation. The Cornell University experiment provided clear evidence for the role of magnetite in pigeon navigation. On overcast days, pigeons with active magnetic coils showed poorer orientation. They flew in random directions, unable to use their magnetic compass. This suggested pigeons use their magnetic sense to navigate when the sun is not visible. While crucial for long-distance homing, it is not their only tool. Pigeons likely employ a complex navigational system integrating multiple sensory cues. The Cornell experiment was seminal, providing concrete evidence for a magnetic sense in birds. To further investigate the role of magnetite in pigeon navigation, scientists devised even more precise experiments, targeting the magnetite-rich areas in the bird's beaks. These experiments involved manipulating the magnetic properties of the beak region, either by temporarily magnetizing or demagnetizing the magnetite crystals, to observe the effects on the pigeon's navigational behavior. One such experiment involved attaching small, powerful magnets to the beaks of pigeons, temporarily magnetizing the magnetite crystals in their beaks. The researchers hypothesized that this artificial magnetization would disrupt the bird's ability to sense the Earth's natural magnetic field, similar to the effect of the coils used in the Cornell experiment. As predicted, the pigeons with magnetized beaks exhibited disoriented behavior, struggling to navigate effectively, especially in unfamiliar environments. In another set of experiments, researchers used a technique called transcranial magnetic stimulation, or TMS, to temporarily demagnetize the magnetite crystals in the pigeons' beaks. TMS involves applying a brief, focused magnetic pulse to a specific area of the brain, or in this case, the beak, to disrupt neural activity. The researchers found that pigeons subjected to TMS targeting their beak region showed impaired homing abilities, further supporting the crucial role of beak magnetite in their navigation. While magnetite in the beak has emerged as a key player in pigeon magnetoreception, some studies suggest that another mechanism might also be at play, involving a light-sensitive protein called cryptochrome. Cryptochromes are found in the eyes of many animals, including birds, and are known to play a role in regulating circadian rhythms. However, recent research indicates that cryptochromes might also be involved in magnetoreception, acting as magnetic sensors in the eyes. The proposed mechanism for cryptochrome-based magnetoreception involves quantum mechanics, the strange and counterintuitive world of subatomic particles. When cryptochromes absorb light, they undergo a chemical reaction that creates a pair of entangled electrons. These entangled electrons are extremely sensitive to magnetic fields, and their behavior can be influenced even by weak magnetic fields like the Earth's. The potential role of cryptochromes in pigeon navigation is still an active area of research, and it remains to be seen whether it acts in conjunction with or independently of the magnetite-based compass in the beak. It's possible that pigeons and perhaps other migratory birds use both mechanisms to gather magnetic information. providing them with a redundant and highly sensitive navigation system. This area of research holds exciting possibilities for uncovering the intricate workings of animal senses and the remarkable ways in which they perceive the world around them. Beyond the birds, bio-inspiration takes flight. The discovery of magnetite-based navigation in pigeons is not merely an intriguing facet of animal behavior. It's a revelation with far-reaching implications for science and technology. By understanding how birds navigate using Earth's magnetic field, we open doors to innovations in fields as diverse as robotics, aerospace engineering, and even medicine. Nature, as always, provides the blueprint for elegant solutions to complex challenges. Take, for instance, the development of miniature, highly sensitive magnetic sensors. Inspired by the magnetite crystals in a pigeon's beak, engineers are designing sensors that could revolutionize navigation systems. Imagine GPS-free navigation capable of functioning even in areas where satellite signals are weak or non-existent, like underground tunnels or dense forests. Such technology would be invaluable for search and rescue missions, exploration of remote areas, and even everyday navigation in our increasingly interconnected world. But the potential applications extend far beyond navigation. Magnetite-based sensors could be used in medical imaging, providing detailed views of internal organs without the need for harmful radiation. They could also be integrated into prosthetic limbs, allowing for more intuitive and responsive control. The possibilities are as vast as the migratory routes of the birds that inspired them. Miniature compasses, major potential. One of the most exciting frontiers in magnetite-inspired technology is the development of biomimetic sensors devices that mimic the structure and function of biological systems. By replicating the intricate arrangement of magnetite crystals and nerve endings found in the pigeon's beak, scientists aim to create sensors with unparalleled sensitivity and precision. Imagine holding a device the size of a smartphone that could detect minute fluctuations in magnetic fields, revealing hidden geological formations or even assisting in the search for buried artifacts. The potential applications in robotics are equally compelling. By equipping robots with bio-inspired magnetic sensors, we could enhance their navigation capabilities in complex and unpredictable environments. Imagine robots capable of navigating the depths of the ocean, exploring collapsed mines, or even assisting in delicate surgical procedures, all without relying on external navigation systems. These advancements could revolutionize industries ranging from underwater exploration to healthcare. Beyond robotics, magnetite-inspired sensors could enhance our understanding of the natural world. Geologists could use them to map magnetic fields with unprecedented detail, revealing hidden geological structures and providing insights into Earth's history. Biologists could track the movements of migratory animals with greater accuracy, shedding light on their behavior and ecological interactions. The knowledge gained from these discoveries could have profound implications for conservation efforts and our understanding of the planet we call home. Uncharted territories, the future of navigation research. Magnetite-based navigation in pigeons has been transformative, but many questions remain. How do these tiny crystals interact with nerve cells to generate signals? What role do cryptochromes play in magnetoreception? Answering these questions requires a multifaceted approach. Further research is needed to explore magnetite-inspired technology. Developing biomimetic sensors is a formidable challenge. Miniaturization and biocompatibility are hurdles to overcome. The potential rewards promise to revolutionize navigation, medicine, and robotics. Pigeon navigation shows how nature can inspire technological innovation. Nature's navigators are guides. The carrier pigeon, with its remarkable homing ability, reveals hidden senses and astonishing adaptations. Magnetite in their beaks has revolutionized our understanding of animal navigation and inspired new technologies. From message carrying to bio-inspired engineering, the pigeon's legacy continues. Their story underscores the interconnectedness of nature and the power of scientific inquiry. Delving into magnetoreception reveals the wonders of the natural world and boundless possibilities. The journey to unravel animal navigation mysteries has just begun. Each discovery opens new avenues of exploration, deepening our understanding. Insights from nature's navigators inspire technological advancements and deepen our connection to the natural world.